Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Day Auto. Today, we are diving into something special, the 2025 Wagon series. Now, wagons aren't just for the station run, these new models are packed with power, luxury, and practicality, making them a must see for anyone looking for something versatile and stylish. Host, voiceover. From high performance options to family friendly haulers, the 2025 wagon lineup is truly a force to be reckoned with. So, let's get into it and see what's new and exciting about these stunning vehicles. Host, let's talk design. The 2025 wagons feature sleek, modern lines with bold front grills and smooth aerodynamics. Whether it's the sporty, aggressive stance of the 2025 Audi A6 Avant or the elegant curves of the 2025 Volvo V90, each wagon in the series is designed to turn heads. Host, voiceover. Notice how these wagons combine luxury with practicality. The high rooflines and wide stance provide a spacious cabin, while the design stays refined and elegant. Every detail, from the LED headlights to the alloy wheels, speaks to a perfect balance of form and function. Host, inside, these wagons are all about comfort and cutting-edge technology. From plush leather seats to customizable interiors, the 2025 models offer a refined experience no matter where you are sitting. Host, voiceover. Expect large touchscreens, intuitive infotainment systems, and available driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. These wagons aren't just about looks, they're about making every drive as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Host, now, let's get to the performance. Whether you are looking for a more fuel-efficient ride or something that'll leave sports sedans in the dust, the 2025 Wagon series has something for every driver. Host, voiceover. Take the 2025 Mercedes-Benz A-Class wagon for example. It offers a powerful turbocharged engine, capable of delivering both power and efficiency. Or the 2025 BMW 3 Series Touring, with its sharp handling and responsive driving dynamics. These wagons aren't just for hauling, they're made to perform. Host, safety is always a priority, and the 2025 wagons are no exception. With advanced safety features like collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras, these vehicles ensure that you and your loved ones are always protected. Host, voiceover. Whether you are navigating tight parking spaces or driving on highways, the wagons in this series come equipped with the latest technology to make sure you are always aware of your surroundings. Host, so, there you have it. The 2025 Wagon series brings together power, luxury, and practicality in ways we've never seen before. Whether you are after performance or family convenience, these wagons have it all. Host, voiceover. From the sporty Audi RS7 Avant to the luxurious Volvo V90 Cross Country, there's a wagon here for everyone. Host, which 2025 wagon is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe to Good Day Auto for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. T.